join me. Just imagine what can happen. I see you break it through, break it through. It's a renaissance of a lifetime, yeah. Take this heart, take it off, 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 take it off.
Welcome to what feels like day number 957 of I don't know what I'm doing. So we finally have the floors done as far as the stain is concerned, and so now I'm using a 3/4 nap. It's supposed to not shed this kind of whatever. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never Googled how to do stuff more in my entire life. And then when you're doing floors, I wonder how professionals do it, because it feels impossible to keep all the dirt off of it. And you're about to put a clear coat on, and I'm gonna be that person trying to scrub a dot off the floor that is actually just dirt that's under 5 layers of clear coat, and you're never gonna get it off. So I'm thinking they need to make a giant like lint roller, because I legit went around on my hands and knees with a lint roller and tried to get as much off as I could. But I will let you know how the progress goes with these floors.
This heart, the only one, set me free to give me peace.